Hey, today guys, we be switching old switches out to the new decorative one. The square ones right here. So just update, make the house look a little better. Get it right here. I want to start with the fresh one here first. What you want to do is make sure, pretty much, that top is up. If not, you're trying to switch on and be upside down. Do this right here. It's pretty simple. Doesn't take long at all. Make sure everything's clean. Not sure why they use a three-way here, but it's crazy. There's only one light on the outside. I guess maybe they ran out of switches. Push ins and need this sometimes. So they don't want to break, so all I do is recut the wire to it. No biggie. I can save this for something else here. It's still pretty good. It's a three-way. Do is cut them, curve them, and fit into the new outlet. All there is to it. Next one here. Make it fast and simple, man. You don't have to run into the issues, you know. Just make it fast and simple, guys. So the whole deal is to it. These decorators one, they got push-ins too, but I don't like to use push-ins too much if I don't have to. Have to be nice and secure on the screws. That way you don't have to worry about it coming loose in the future or whatnot, for some apparent reason. But most important thing is to make sure you line these back up the right way when you put them in. They're not off. Laundry room or whatnot, but so I think I'm gonna do. I'm gonna stick these in now since I got them two first in. Not all the way though, not all the way. So now you wanna make sure the plank line up. So I gotta go most of the way in. Well, I still can work them. In case we need to make some adjustments and put the new plates on, man. Try and get this one out the way here. Work is never done, man. Like I say, it's always something you gotta do. But final. Always be that one that'll fight you, man. But it's long. So you gotta spoon too. Sometimes you can save it. It's gonna twist it, but if it breaks, it's like that one day. It's ready to cut it. You do it. It happens. So I say, take them, snip, curve them. So these come in handy at these kind of crimp tools. I mean, you're wasting a lot of time fighting them. You know? Don't want to play too much around with trying to bend these wires too much. You don't want to do that, because you do that, you have a problem. Break off in the wall. You have a lot of issues, though. Alright, let's see. Put the bottom one in. See that dancing right there where you don't want to go? You can open them up a little bit. Not too much though, but it's just a little bit. Gotta take a little bit of them instead of trying to fight with it all the time. Need for that. Okay. Lock them in place. Next one same way. Almost done, guys. Take them and tuck them. Not break them too much, but tuck them in. I really don't want to, let's say, break the wire behind there. Let's see. Maybe a gray one come on there. I say once again, you don't want to screw it all the way in. I still got to put that plate on and make sure that plate fit. You know, nice and secure. Should do it right there. Check to see in a minute here. This one. That's what the plate gonna look like for that. Final but not least, final. And what you want to do is take this plate, make sure it fit on there and secure them. So see that one there in the middle is a little bit off. Let's take it, let's twist it a little bit. See, it's still off of this, so. I'm gonna take that and screw it a little bit, keep it from moving back. Make sure they're all straight. And sometimes, like I say, it's gonna do that. Especially when you're doing a 3. It's gonna fracture right there. And screw in the front of this middle thing, so I'm just ready to screw him all in. You tend to do it on the tendency, try to bounce around and get there. Alright. Here we go. I just gotta put the screws in. But basically, that's how you do it, guys. That's basically the new install. I just gotta put the screws in. I'm trying to power on back for you right here, so that it works. Top breaker. Alright, this is the kitchen. Laundry room, as you can see. Nah, basically that's it. It's right here for the outside, so I just gotta put the screws in there, but I say pretty much I installed these here, guys. So until next time, tune in.